is the HS Micro, brought to you by Ultra-Electronics. The HS Micro has a maximum acoustic output of 140 decibels with a maximum communication range of 500 meters. The HS Micro can be easily transported because it weighs less than 18 pounds. The HS Micro also comes equipped with a commercial off-the-shelf battery, and with the purchase of an extra commercial off-the-shelf battery, the operator can be up and running while one is in use and one is charging, giving the user 24 hours of continued use. The HS Micro also comes standard with a record-play microphone, allowing the operator to achieve maximum volume with live voice. The HS Micro also comes standard with an auxiliary in cable, which just takes a standard 3.5mm jack, which can be plugged in such things as a cell phone or an iPod.
What I have here is the HS Micro. We're about an altitude of 30 feet and 90 meters away from the subject. The HS Micro is loud enough to be over the background noise of a helicopter. It's also battery operated, so it's independent from any other power source. Another great feature of the HS Micro is the record-play microphone. A person has the ability to give live voice, also record a message up to 60 seconds long, and play it back multiple times. This is a record-play microphone on the HS Micro.
This is a record-play microphone on the HS Micro. This is a record-play microphone on the HS Micro. This is a record-play microphone on the HS Micro. This is a record-play microphone on the HS Micro.
Another great feature is the 3.5mm audio jack, which can be plugged into an iPod, cell phone, or anything that takes a 3.5mm jack.
HyperSpike Technology. We will now be available for any questions you might have. Ultra-Electronics, bringing innovation through experience. Thank you for listening to HyperSpike Technology. We will now be available for any questions you might have. Thank you for listening to HyperSpike Technology. We will now be available for any questions you might have. You are in a U.S. Army restricted zone. The use of deadly force is authorized in this area. Depart the area immediately or we will fire upon you. You are in a U.S. Army restricted zone. The use of deadly force is authorized in this area. Depart the You are in a U.S. Army restricted zone. The use of deadly force is authorized in this area. Depart the area immediately or we will fire upon you.
As you can see, the HS Micro is ideal for rapid deployment in land or in air. Possible applications for the HS Micro include crowd control, search and rescue operations, emergency and event control.